Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 240. So, my only variable in this equation is x, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So I'm going to first start with my equation, 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 240. And from here, I'm going to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. So I get 2 squared to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 240. Now, I can use the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So in this case, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is going to equal 2 to the power of 2 times x. So I have this minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 240. And now I can rewrite 2 to the power of 2x as 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. So I get 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 240. Now from here, I'm going to let 2 to the power of x equal to the variable y. So if I substitute in y for 2 to the power of x, I get y squared minus y is equal to 240. And now I can subtract 240 on both sides. So these two cancel out and I get y squared minus y minus 240 is equal to 0. So what I have here is a quadratic equation. And to find the solutions of this quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula. So if you guys already know, the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, looking over here, a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 240. So I get y is equal to negative of negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 240 all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this simplifies to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 960 over 2. And this turns into y is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 961 over 2. So now, the square root of 961 is 31. So I get y equals 1 plus or minus 31 over 2. And now I have two solutions. I have y equals 1 plus 31 over 2, and y equals 1 minus 31 over 2. So my two solutions are 17 and negative 15. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 5 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 625. So to solve this, I'm going to first take the power of 1 over 625x on both sides. And the reason I'm doing this is because a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So these two multiply and cancel out, and these two multiply and cancel out. So now I'm left with 5 to the power of 1 over 625 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now from here, I want to change my left-hand side so that's in the form a number to the power of 1 over that same number. So basically, I want these two numbers to be the same, so they align with x to the power of 1 over x. Right now, they're different. So what I'm going to do is rewrite this as 5 to the power of 5 over 5 times 1 over 625. So now I get 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 over 3,125 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 25 times 25 times 5, which is equal to 625 times 5, which is equal to 3,125. So I get 3,125 to the power of 1 over 3,125 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And now because these two have the same forms, this means that these two numbers are equal to each other. So x is equal to 3,125. So this is my solution.